You're watching the Weiss channel. Today, well, we have talked about solving by factoring, and we've solved by taking the square root. But now we're going to use what's called the quadratic formula. What? Yes, the quadratic formula. Here it is. X equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. What do I mean by a, b, and c? Here's what I mean. Okay. If you take this first equation here, 3x squared plus 5x minus 7. A is 3, the number next to the x squared. B is 5, the number next to the x. And C is negative 7, the number before the equals. Okay? All you have to do is plug these numbers into that formula. Okay? So instead of B, you put in 5. So it's negative 5 plus or minus the square root of 5 squared minus 4 times 3 times negative 7 all over 2 times 3. Now you just simplify. 4 times 3 is 12 times 7 is 84. Minus times a minus is a plus, so I'm going to have 25 plus 84. 25 plus 84 is 109, and this is how you will leave your answer. Negative 5 plus or minus the square root of 109 all over 6. Okay. Again, instead of A, you'll put in 5. Instead of B, you'll put in 11. Instead of C, you'll put in 4. Okay. Negative 11 plus or minus the square root of 11 squared minus 4 times 5 times 4 all over 2 times 5. 4 times 5 times 4 is 80. 121 minus 80 is 41. And this is how you leave your answer. You may get a problem like this where the right side is not set equal to 0. So the first thing you'll have to do is subtract 6x. Now you have the right side equal to 0. Okay. What's A? 2. What's B? Negative 9. What's C? 6. Plug those numbers in. Oops. Okay. So you get 9 plus or minus the square root of 81 minus 48 all over 4. 81 minus 48 is 33. X equals 9 plus or minus square root of 33 over 4. Over here, the first thing you're going to do is subtract 8 from both sides. Here, A is 4, B is 7, C is negative 5. Plug the numbers into the formula. You get X equals negative 7 plus or minus square root of 49 plus 80 all over 8. 49 plus 80 is 129. So your answer is X equals negative 7 plus or minus square root 129 all over 8. Now, those of you doing this assignment on Delta Math need to know that the thing you need to do first when putting in your answer, you need to type the divide key first. Type the divide key first, and then you click at the top and put all that in, and then click below to put in the bottom part. Okay? Unfortunately, it doesn't work nicely if you try typing all this in and then hitting the divide key. unless you use parentheses first. But it'll be easier if you just type the divide key first. You've been watching the Weiss channel,